successful, how to make money online. All right, today I want to quickly share a little issue I had with a book I published on Amazon KDP. All right, I think yesterday I published a book on hair fryer recipe, and the message I got back from Amazon was that during our review we found that the title of the following book might cause a misleading customer experience. After I've written the book and about voluminous book, about 200 pages of book, and after publishing I saw that the book came back to draft, and as in it was not blocked, they returned it back to draft, so like they unpublished it themselves. So, and I got this mail after they returned it back to draft that it will cause a misleading experience. Now the reason why I'm sharing this video is because I've had issue about this thing before. So when they now said, if one, they gave me two options, if please review your book for accuracy and take one of the following steps in 5 days. Update your book by following the following step. Go to Bookshelf and republish. Like, you can republish it if you think you are good to go. Option 2, provide with verification and documentation you are authorized to use the title as originally submitted. So now, the main issue that usually causes this is through the use of keywords. I've used one trademark term inside my title or in the description or however. So, but to be on the safe side, it would be good if I did not proceed to republishing this book, because if I republish and the mistake I did the first time I done that, the reason why I'm sending this warning again, that it is not good for you all my viewers to republish this book, is because the first attempt that I did, a mistake I did before on a topic like that, when I got this warning, is that I published it again, and the book sold a lot. On a single book, I had a lot of money on that particular single book, and after some months I got a message that your account has been suspended due to a book that is causing a misleading information. If you know, you would like I should reply this mail by, like, as if I'm pledging that I will not do this again, something like that. So, and this is another occurrence of that kind of thing, misleading customer experience. So to be on the safer side, that's why I will not republish this book, that as in I will not publish it again. So in as much I've received this warning at the point of publishing this book. So I'm saying this so that people will not fall into this error again. That is, they are telling me that it's because I've used one trademark term, or I've used one keywords like best selling or free, or I've used trademark term. So now let me confirm on test, that is the USA trademark and what's it called, trademark office. Let me try to search air fryer. Okay, I've searched already. So these are words that I've searched it. Let me search again so that you know how I searched it. I'm on test page now, air fryer, and then I submit. Let me submit again and see what we're going to have. Okay, we have about, how many results? About 246. So it's not easy for me to keep scrolling and confirm whether air fryer is there. So for you to quickly know whether air fryer is trademark or not, you can easily press Ctrl F and then now type air fryer. That is what I type. After pressing Ctrl F, you can search here how many times air fryer is trademarked. So you can search if there is any. Now you can see that air fryer is not particularly trademarked, so I don't know which word that has been. Let me check on in my topic. I have 200 plus. Okay, this one is even dead. 200 plus. I used 200 plus, but it's dead. I used 200 plus, is dead. I don't know, maybe it might be in the description or in the back end keyword. So, but I got a warning that it might be causing a misleading due to what, unauthorized reference to a trademark term, or any of these options are causing it. So now, in as much I don't know exactly what is wrong, that's why I will just leave the title as it is. I will not publish it. I will leave it as draft. So I will just count that book, the number of days I've used to write the book, I'll count it as a waste. I get it, so that I will not lose my account. So if you like this video, please click the like button, share it. Please remember to subscribe so that when next I post a video like this, you'll get notified. Thank you and stay tuned.